Leaders are people too. Leaders of humanity are people too. We show up as people and professionals. For many leaders, lived experiences are the why for their service to humanity. Retreats are great places where people of like similarities gather to debrief from the ebbs and flows of life, careers, and business. Leaders share and work through processes in safe spaces of healing and self-care, needs we often forget in our service to humanity. North Carolina Black Women's Roundtable's mission, vision, and values reinforce the importance of we have everything we need. I am a rural delegate standing in my truth to community with the courage that we have everything we need. Courage is at the forefront of my service to humanity. Courage requires the willingness to be vulnerable at times, confront situations with sensitivity and stay present for resolution, act on beliefs and hunches to help others socially engage, draw on emotional experiences to identify with others, examine one's own life, and deliver care and compassion in a direct, honest, and respectful way. My courage strengthened through others as I modeled what I expected from others, the willingness to take the risk of sharing vulnerabilities. This space provided a safety net to resolve the triggers of external conflict and forged an opportunity to stay present in a supportive environment. Group dynamics consist of diverse populations with complex identities. Upon gathering, I knew only what I could see. Relationship building through the group process was a gateway to the hearts of kindred sisters. We thrive in unity as we build our movement in helping others to identify and develop their superpowers with what we know and are able to teach. We are more than we can see. For more information about how you can engage in NCBWR, please feel free to join me at www.dreveangelsavage.com